So my name is Craig Baldwin, and I'm a co-founder and CMO of Sqrl. My past is I worked in public accounting at Deloitte & Touche in Columbus. I did that for a couple years and then left to do some other things. Ended up working with Ryan Watson on Upsourced Accounting, which is a more or less virtual CPA firm, and helped him do the marketing and sales, none of the accounting actually in that case. And from that company came the idea for Sqrl, because we found that no matter what we were doing, we were spending the majority of our time chasing down information from our clients in order to actually do the work that we needed to do for them each month. And it was the same problem that we had when we worked in Big Four accounting, is that you had a team full of people that would send hundreds or thousands of requests and manually keep track of that entire process. So we knew there just had to be a way better way to not only create, but to track those requests and not lose the mental capacity actually thinking about them or outstanding items all the time. That is exactly the problem that Sqrl solves. So when we came to the Brandery, the idea we came with was called a crew. And a crew was essentially Basecamp meets Mint.com for accountants to use with their clients. And as three non-tech co-founders, we were sure that we were going to build some massive piece of software and it was going to be really easy and lots of people would buy it, and quickly realized how naive we actually were. And so about halfway through the program, when we were working with the agency the Brandery paired us with, Gyro, they really helped us pare down exactly the problem that we were solving and perhaps even how we would present that solution. And so what we really keyed in on, especially after having tons and tons and tons of interviews and conversations with potential customers, was that everyone had the problem of trying to get information from their clients in a timely fashion. And so out of these conversations we had with Gyro was not only a new logo, a new brand, a new purpose, but it changed the product, foundationally changed the product.
Where we felt like we added the most value was distilling what it is they were doing down to a single solution to a single problem and just cutting out the fluff. I think that when you're in an entrepreneurial situation and you're in a startup situation, it's really easy to keep trying to add more and more and more things to get to a better solution, but when in reality you just need to own solving one problem.
Our goals are to keep executing and making sure that we're talking to customers every single day, meeting their expectations and going above and beyond. I think we're going to continue to have a lot of success as long as we focus on really solving that problem that we've set out to solve and building a really great brand around it.